Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix folder reverting to read-only on Windows 11. First method is, click Start, Settings, click Windows and Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Turn off controlled folder access. Second method is Open File Explorer. Add your username. Check full control. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.